Hello and welcome to episode 5. Today's topic is cooking time. Cooking is fun and healthy. In the afternoon, I go to the kitchen. I want to cook a simple meal. First, I wash my hands. Then, I clean the table. I like to be ready before I start cooking. I open the fridge. I take some vegetables. I take a tomato, a cucumber, a carrot, and a small onion. I also take some rice and a little chicken. These are my favourite ingredients. I start cutting the vegetables. I cut the tomato into small pieces. I slice the cucumber. I chop the onion. The vegetables smell fresh. I like the colours of the vegetables. They look nice and healthy. Next, I put a pan on the stove. I add a little oil. When the oil is hot, I add the onion. I cook it for a few minutes. The kitchen smells very nice. Then, I add the chicken. I mix it with a spoon. I cook the chicken for 5 minutes. Next, I add the vegetables. I add a little salt and pepper. I mix everything together. The food smells delicious. Now, I prepare the rice. I wash the rice with water. I put it in a pot. I add water and a little salt. I cook it on low heat. While the rice cooks, I clean the kitchen. I wash some dishes and wipe the table. This is a good habit. After 20 minutes, everything is ready. The rice is soft and white. The chicken and vegetables are ready too. I put the rice on a plate. I add the chicken and vegetables on top. The meal looks colourful and tasty. I sit down and eat. The food tastes very good. Cooking at home makes me happy. It is simple, healthy, and fun. I like cooking every day. It is a good way to relax and enjoy my time. Thank you for listening to episode 5, Cooking Time. I hope you learned new words about cooking. See you in the next episode.